Hey guys, so check out my new D2000 dash cam. This is a super hard case, full metal, super durable. Been messing around with this for a while, and it's really like the video footage I've been able to get out of this. So once you get it, you open it out of the box, you're going to go ahead and get a MicroSD card, up to a 32 gigabyte MicroSD card right here. You're going to go ahead and just insert it into your dash cam and kind of push down with your little nail. And it's going to go ahead and be able to record video from there. So once you have it installed into your dash cam, or just pretty much it's inserted, you have all your buttons right here to go ahead and control the different menu options. You could change the resolution, you could change the loop recording, exactly how, if you want to record every 3 minutes and it creates a new file, or every 12 minutes. So it's also, you can have it record audio or have the audio not record. And you have a date stamp, so anytime you start recording, exactly what date and time this occurred. Your G sensor is going to be, so it's going to kick in, it's unlock the file if there's all of a sudden a big like bang or like a crash, so it creates any type of G-force. It's unlock that file, so in case you get in an accident, you know that file is not going to get recorded over. So that's pretty much it for the little options right here. You could go ahead and click on the movie mode, and it's going to show you previously recorded videos that you recorded, which I have on here. So which is kind of really neat. You have the parking button, so if somebody starts kind of like bumps into your car or else starts messing with cars, and start recording, which is really neat. And then it has your power button. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and just hook this into our car, and how this slides in like this, and then you go ahead and just put the suction cup up near your window, push down, and then you pull this forward towards the window, and it's going to lock it in place. We have our power through this cigarette lighter port. We can go ahead and just plug it in, and we're going to fish this wire up to our dash cam. We're going to go ahead and plug in the power like so. We're going to pull it up so you're not going to be able to see the cables, and then we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and put it in the car, drive around, and look at some footage. Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and install the system. So I'm going to simply hook it up by attaching this to the glass by using these suction cups. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it open right here. And then once I have it flush against the glass, I'm going to go ahead and push it down to create that suction. So I'm going to go ahead and set mine up right about, let's do right here, so it's not too much in the way. So now I'm going to have it go ahead and hook up through here, attach it so we won't be able to see it, and then have it running all the way down, and just fish it in to underneath the car. Then have the power just go through a regular cigarette lighter, and then it's going to be connected through my dash cam. And let's go ahead and turn it on and do a little test drive and see how the video looks.